From Bath to Brecon, Port Talbot to Pontypool, all these homes were offered as Ryder Cup rentals. And all are still waiting to be let.
People could a party.
Mark and Carla Townsend hope to get 4 figures for their 5 bedrooms. They paid £200 to advertise on a website called Fairway Accommodation. An agent said the bathrooms were a selling point, but nobody's offered the £8,000 they wanted.
Bridgend is quite far from the Celtic Manor. Do you think perhaps you're a little bit too hopeful?
No, I don't, because obviously he obviously knew what he was talking about. We assumed he knew what he was talking about, and sold it to us, really.
Do you feel that you were misled?
Very misled, yes. You know, especially when, you know, they were saying about taking the photos and putting it on the website, and how professional the website did really look. It did look, you know, quite promising.
And many others thought the same as Carla. There are 72 people advertising their property on Fairway Accommodation. The thing is, that number's pretty similar to a few months ago. None of the properties seem to be shifting. But at least this site stopped accepting adverts in June. Another one, Accommodation for the Event, was still taking on new properties when we phoned 3 weeks ago, even though nobody we've spoken to who's advertising on the site has had any success.
There are issues perhaps in terms of what people were led to believe, what they were encouraged to think they could legitimately charge. But I think in reality there's far too many people wanting to rent their property than there are people wanting to actually let that property from them.
Accommodation for the Event say they don't guarantee a property will be rented or tell people how much to charge. Fairway Accommodation didn't respond to us, but their website says they don't offer guarantees either. But if you do understand supply and demand, money can be made, especially when you're supplying this.
The kitchen dates from the 15th century.
Becky Adorjan from Caldecott has let her 12th century mansion for £9,000. She's rented it out before and knows her stuff.
And it would have belonged to the monks and they would have slept in this room. I was advised previously that I could rent it for 3 times what we actually did rent it for. So I think being realistic, realizing people are not going to pay a small fortune to rent something for a week, has given us the rental.
The lesson here then is as old as Becky's house. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Paul Brand, Wales Tonight.